Hey, Dorothy, you home?
Who is this?
It's Chief Satterfield with Duncan
Yeah.
PD.
What do you need?
Okay.
No,
Can you open
sir,
the
I
door?
will not.
Okay. Well, I just want to talk
No,
to you.
sir, I've not opened my door, honey.
Okay.
Because
Why?
I get abused by your officers all the time. No,
Well, I'm the new chief. I wanted to come talk to you.
I don't feel safe.
I'm the new chief. I'm sorry.
I'm not comfortable.
Will you just open the door? You ain't got to come outside.
Why you need to see me? I can see you.
Well, I can't
You don't
see
need
you.
to see me.
Okay. Well, I mean, I hear you behind the door.
And again, you don't need to see me, honey.